Hi everyone, how you doing? My AI Power User Tips video titled Use ChatGPT as a thinking partner got a lot of love from you all, so I have decided to show you briefly created it.
Power users do something different. They use ChatGPT as a thinking partner.
So I would like to show you how I created the video, the tutorial video, the one I call the AI Power Tip video. And this was for lesson 6, where I thought about use ChatGPT as a thinking partner. So what I did, I went to ChatGPT itself and I gave it this prompt. I said, I'd like to create a talking head video with Voice Note 6. Voice Note 6, it had already given me Voice Note 6, which was a brief description of how to use ChatGPT as a thinking partner. So I said, build it up to be good for 55 seconds. So I wanted a 1-minute video. And so it says, got it. It was going to give me a hook, clear cut, particular examples, and all that. So it then gave me, here's a camera ready 55 seconds script built from Voice Note 6. And so it goes and gives me this. It gives me the hook, problem, frame, examples, CTA, call to action. And then it told me what I needed to do. Speak slightly slower than normal, pause briefly. Now, it was thinking I was going to do this, on camera, but I had other ideas. So after I finished giving me everything, I told it, I intend to use an AI avatar to deliver this. Does that alter the script? Because I saw that it didn't, it thought I was going to do a live video recording. So I told it to, it was going to use an avatar and asked if it would change the script. It said, yes, it does alter the script. And so it changed it for me because it talks about the things that an AI avatar does not handle like humans. And then it gave me the script, this time for an AI avatar. Okay. Now, when it gave me this script, what I did next was to tell it this. I'd like to create a video on VO3. Now, this is very, very important. It's the AI actually has a knowledge of the different video creation tools, and so each one actually creates differently. Well, what I mean is that if you want to get the best from them, there's a way you prompt them that will give you the best. So I had to tell it what tool I was going to use. I'd like to create a video in VO3. Can I adapt the script to be usable in VO3? I will use the extend feature so you can create 55 minutes. Now, the problem with VO is that VO creates 8 seconds, clips. You cannot create more than 8 seconds. So I usually would tell whatever AI I'm using, listen, I'm using VO, but you need to remember VO has a restriction of 8 seconds. So when you give me the script, give me a script that will flow seamlessly. 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds, but there should be no stop, there should be no break. The narrative and the prompt should work such that it is seamless from one, scene to the other. And I usually like it to give me in scenes, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. So it did that. Talking head script, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Okay, so it gave me all these scenes up to scene 8. So why this works so it gives me why they work, about to change, emotional dependency. Okay, so script strategy gave me script strategy, what I need to do when I go to VO, what I need to set. Right. Now, with AI, usually best to prompt it one step at a time. You know your goal, but you don't give it the whole prompt from beginning to end because AI will hallucinate. That's just the way it works. To get the best result with AI, you break down your process and ask it one activity or one task at a time. So usually what I would do is I usually ask it, give me a general video script of what I want to create. After that, I will ask it to now give me a prompt for each scene. I can just copy and paste onto the tool I'm using to create the video, in this case VO3. So now I then ask it, give me exact VO3 camera prompt per scene. So every scene give me a prompt. So this is what it then did. All right, so this is Google View, And what I usually do is that I choose, instead of frames of video, I've liked, now I choose ingredients of video, okay? And then I choose a particular, I want to choose the reference image, and this is of me. For that particular production, I actually used a reference image of me as a cartoon character. I can show you what I used. Yeah, this one. Usually you get into the form and then I cropped, saved. Okay, so that's the image here, and then I put my prompt. I use the prompt that I have here. I chose one of these prompts, choose one of them, and then I go back to my view. I paste the prompt in here, and then I click run. So I created a series of videos, clips, which I then assembled in Canva. So you can see all the video clips created for 8 of them. I assembled them in Canva, and that's how we got. All right, so that's exactly how I created the videos. Thank you very much.